Hello guys, welcome ulit sa TowerPH TV. So in this video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of this customized special edition Casio watch that pays tribute to one of the greatest basketball player, Kobe Bryant. And by the end of this video guys, we're going to raffle up this Casio watch as part of our appreciation to our subscribers. So stay tuned lang kayo hanggang sa dulo for the mechanics. But before those, intro muna tayo. Late last year guys, we got this Kobe Bryant watch. It's a custom watch by CustomGorillas. So I asked my sister to buy this and it was shipped to me. So it came in this box. It's a customized tin can. As we got this custom acrylic card commemorating one of the greatest NBA players, Kobe Bryant, so with his signature and this number 24. I think this an acrylic card. So again, it came with this tin can. It's actually a Casio DW6900 watch, customized to give tribute to Kobe Bryant. So it's module number 3230. And ito yung watch. So as I said guys, it's Casio G-Shock DW6900. So it's resin, with its resin band, tapos mineral crystal yung or mineral glass. So since it's a G-Shock, its main feature is a 200-meter water resistant and a convenient EL backlight display packed into a design that is tough, rugged, and fashionable. So on this part, andito yung parang Kobe Bryant bowing down. Then he was known for the Black Mamba. I think it started around 2006 when he embraced the fact that a lot of people hates him. So that's probably one of the reasons why medyo maraming beses siyang nawala sa MVP contention, but I believe he should have gotten more than just one MVP. So on the other side, yun, so it's the year of the life of Kobe, donning the number 8. He, as we all know, he passed on last 2020. So yung kanyang signature, in here you got yung name ng Kobe Bryant. It's black. So yung DW6900 design with yung tatlong dials and yung digital ano niya, yung window. So at the back you got yung Kobe Bryant number 24, Kobe Bryant signature, and yung Kobe Bryant na name. So this I have this for my personal collections. We all know I do love yung Kobe Bryant, one of our idols. So as for the features of the watch, it has mineral glass and yung shock resistant, 200-meter water resistance, electroluminescent backlight afterglow. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang backlight and what's special about it. Yung flash alert, flashes with buzzer that sounds for alarm, early time signal, 100-second stopwatch, measuring capacity, then timer, tapos may countdown timer siya, multifunction alarm, early time signal, full auto calendar, 12 or 24-hour format, button operation, tone, on and off, regular timekeeping, accuracy of plus minus 15 seconds per month, approximate battery life is 2 years on a CR 2016 battery, and yung size ng case niya is 53.2 by 50 by 16 millimeters. Ang weight niya is around 67 grams. So checking on the thickness guys, dito sa part na to, it's around 16 millimeters. Tapos yung lug to lug niya is 50.3 millimeters. So maganda siya pag medyo malalaki yung hands ninyo. On this side naman, on this part ng band is around 25 millimeters. Tapos dito is around 21 millimeters. Same sa may dulo nito. So 20.7 millimeters. Kasi maganda siya sa mga wide wrist, pero sa akin kasi medyo maliit yung wrist natin, but still it looks good pa rin siya. And of course, since collector's item to, we're here actually to collect. So let me show you naman guys yung backlight na sinasabi natin kanina. So let's try to turn off some of the lights. So pag tinignan niyo yung backlight niya, it actually forms yung logo ni Kobe Bryant. So if you're familiar with Kobe Bryant's logo, so almost same. Ito yung naka-cover ng snake. So yun yung pinapakita ng So meron siyang tatlong dials guys. So actually this is seconds. Tapos ito is 10-second counter lang. So 1 to 5, tapos 6 to 10, tapos 10-second counter. Additional design lang. So meron siyang Bryant dun sa loob. Then it's an illuminator watch na G-Shock. So we will not dwell so much into the features guys. We will just do a separate review pag nagkaroon tayo ng DW6900 na G-Shock. But for this one, it has yung watch mode niya, or yung clock, digital clock. Then it has yung alarm. Then it has yung timer and yung stopwatch. So typical for the adjustment of this features yun. So click nyo nga lang yung adjust, then pupunta lang kayo dun sa which part yung what to adjust, then click yung buttons na to make adjustments. So that's it for this watch guys, Kobe Bryant commemorative watch, tribute to Kobe Bryant by CustomGorillas. I believe available pa siya. Check nyo lang yung kanilang website, CustomGorillas.com. So if you do idolize Kobe Bryant, this watch that is really nice to have. Because of course it's a G-Shock, you can wear it everywhere, it's rugged, and of course yung design niya, and of course also it commemorates one of the greatest NBA basketball players. And as a way of giving thanks and showing our appreciation guys sa mga followers and subscribers ni TowerPH TV. As you all know, si TowerPH TV guys is now part of the YouTube partner program. So big thanks po sa lahat ng support and sa hours spent sa panonood ng aking mga videos. Hopefully wag po kayong magsawa and continue to support TowerPH TV. With that guys, we're going to give away this Casio AE1000W 4BBDF watch. So ito yung black, if you remember dun sa ating tatlong watches. So ito yung isa. So to give back sa ating mga subscribers guys, lalo dito sa Pilipinas, all you have to do guys is comment dito sa ating video, and all comments until December 15 will be part of this giveaway. Yun lang po. This will be for our subscribers in the Philippines. For our subscribers outside the Philippines, you can nominate or assign someone to get your prize. So this will be free delivery or free shipping dito sa Pilipinas, anywhere in the Philippines po. So all you have to do again, guys, is to comment. So we have until December 15. Mag-comment lang kayo about this video and you're automatically part of this raffle giveaway. So this is just one, guys. Marami pa tayo in our future videos. We'll be giving away a lot of prizes and surprises sa ating mga subscribers dito sa TowerPH TV. So, I would like to also give a big shout out to my best friend, si Angel Mendoza in Seoul, and si Sis Geb. So, si Hampas Lupang Burgis. So, for you two guys, kayo talaga yung nagtiwala and nag-push sa akin to work on this channel. And also, big shout out sa ating YT family. Of course, part dyan si Angel Mendoza in Seoul, Karil Caro, Charina Chua, with Kathleen, Francis Delpin, Hampas Lupang Burgis, Josh Presnido, Kyle TJ Vlog, Lena Travels, Miles Channel, Mr. and Mrs. Cruz, Momshi Arian, Rona Moreno, Teacher Nori, Grace Silvestre, Madeline, Joseph Channel, LS White Kitchen, and of course big shout out kay Mommy Bel Sato and kay Daddy O HLJ. So ang laking tulong nila dito sa channel natin. And also yung ating Team Sunday, Kai ND, Shane in the Baking, Tastency by Tesha, si Jan RT Vlog, and the PNF family. And of course, guys, lahat ng mga shoutout natin, guys, it's mga videos natin. I really appreciate your support and yung pagtulong nyo for me to grow or to help me grow this channel. So tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo, guys, and more videos and more giveaways to come dito sa TowerPH TV. So TowerPH TV is a channel where we talk about collection and investment. So sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, guys, please do subscribe to our channel TowerPH TV and do hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. And if you enjoy this video, guys, please do like and share na din. Again, guys, this is Albert Remo from TowerPH TV. Until our next video.